Welcome into SQ World. Today in this tutorial we will learn about what are elements and locators. What are elements? Anything that is present on the web page is a web element such as text box, button, etc. Web element represent an HTML element. For example, link, buttons, input fields, radio button and checkboxes. These are the elements. What are locators? Locators are used to locate the elements on a web page or application. Automation tools uses the locators to perform operations like clicking, typing, or retrieving data from that element. These are the few locators: ID, name, CSS selector, tag name, class name, partial link text, XPath, and link text. Let's check these locators in practical. This is the registration form. If we want to find the locators of any element, then we need to click on this field. Here you can find the ID is email. We can locate by ID. We can also locate by name. Here we can select the gender by using name. We can also locate by XPath. If we want to click on this submit button, we can locate by name and ID also available. If you want to locate by XPath, then you need to copy and click on copy XPath. You can also click on element by CSS selector java.find element by dot by ID. Here you need to enter the ID submit. Submit dot click. One is the best Chrome extension also available, ChromePath, which is used to find the locators. You need to add the ChromePath extension into your browser. ChromePath extension. For Chrome. Here you need to click on download extension. I have already into my browser. Then this options remove from Chrome available. If you do not add this extension, then you can click on add to Chrome button and you can easily add this Chrome extension. You can also find the locators by using this extension. Here you can view relative XPath, CSS selector, absolute XPath, tag name. You just need to right click on the field and you can get these locators by ChromePath extension. You do not need to find right click on and then you need to find the ID name. You just need to click on this field R button or checkboxes and you can get these locators easily. If you just want to, you can also filter out these locators. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, comment and like this video.